Here's the setup. It's just an old power supply, 12 volt. I got a little speed controller here. Nothing too fancy. And yeah, here it is. I brought out the Model 5 too. I'll run that as well. It's got a little bit of interference. I need to adjust it a little bit. It's got just a little bit of rubbing. Just kind of turn this knob so it sounds kind of realistic. It's not perfect, but I'm working on that too. So let me unplug this. It's just got a 12 volt barrel jack, plug on it. Here's the Model 5. Pretty sweet, right? This is actually the first one I built, and it's I never even glued it all together, and it's not perfect, but I might revisit that. It's just kind of been in my collection. I haven't really worried about, trying to make it beautiful or anything, because I don't really plan on selling it. This one turned out a lot better. So yeah, there's the Model 5 and the Model 2. I know I got a lot of comments, people anxiously waiting to hear it, so yeah, I'll probably move on to the 3T22 project next. That one's about halfway done, but it takes a long time either way. So anyway, thanks for watching.